Cruise by Mandy. I'm going to run to the room real quick from the lounge. You can hear the music in the background. I'm going to pass the hotel director's desk and the awesome cruise manager's desk who took great care of us today. I'm going to walk down this hall real quick. There's only just 4 rooms to go down. I'm in a category AA on AmaSerena. AmaSerena is part of Ama Waterways, and one of the unique things about the Ama River cruises for Ama Waterways is they have the split balcony option. Split balcony meaning you've got the main balcony, and then you also have the French balcony. So here we go. I have not seen my room turned down, so this is live for all of us. Okay, here we go. Turn on the lights. Well, you know what? I'll leave the lights how they are. Okay. She's done turned down. Andrea has done turned down already. Well, looks like we have chocolates on the pillow. We've got our nightstands. Yes, we have chocolates on the pillow. Tomorrow's daily guide, except I also have it online. My husband's Anne Frank book over there. The beds can be split. Now, we have a French balcony over here with a seating area and the blinds to look outside. And over here we also have a main balcony area. Because it is turned down, you can see the lights are dimmed and the recessed ceiling up here, and the curtains are drawn. We're set that we don't have to worry about seeing the neighbors over there. Got our Apple iMac computer that I can use. Internet is included when it works just fine. Got our bottled water. Got our audio headsets for our tours. Now tomorrow is a canal cruise, so it is narration is on board, so we don't have to worry about using these. But all of our tours, we have our audio headsets. We don't have to worry about straining our ears to hear anybody. Check out the bathroom. I'll show you this. Now people look at this and you're like, oh my gosh, you have a window into your bathroom. Yes, we do, but check this out. Where's the light switch? Goodness, I've lived in my house for 10 years. I don't know the light switches. The shower here, you've got the sink, the LMS products, your normal cruise type of toilet, and then the shower with the rain shower overhead. That's important. Now, when you are here on the toilet, your view is the wall. You do have the window over here. What I thought was pretty cool about this window, it's fogged in. I can't see anything. You see me. Hi. However, I'm going to hit this button. Now I can see through like normal, which is fine when you're wanting to get dressed in the morning. You don't mind putting your shaving, everything you're doing right here, and you still want to be able to see out. And you can open the curtains for your French balcony and the curtains for your normal balcony. Let us step outside here just to see what it looks like. Nice cushioned chairs, table in between. Now, like I've shared before, for river cruising, you need to be aware that when you are docked, you could be tethered and very close to another boat. So you need to be very aware of what you are wearing to bed at night. You do not want to be flashing anybody if you are not wearing appropriate PJs. Forewarning to everybody. Is the gangway up? No, the gangway is still up down there. Okay, because you can be out all night long tonight. Period. We're overnighting. And so which is really nice. The gangway is still up down there. Just over the water right here, about halfway down the deck. That would be the curtains. And then the French balcony right over here does open. That doesn't show very well. But yes, so this is turned down. And what you can expect of a category AA balcony on AmaSerena. It is definitely a luxury line. The captain gave all of the women a rose after safety briefing today. I think I may go grab some tulips tomorrow. I need to check. I thought there was another vase in here. No, just the ice thing. So might be doing that. But should we want to open the French balcony, we have that option. And a French balcony is what you find on most river cruises versus the split balcony with a full balcony option. So a French balcony is where you can at least open the doors, get the fresh air, and look outside. Close that up. Good full-length mirror right there. Good mirror right here. Hello. And everything that we could possibly need. So I think that's it. And as I said, you can see inside the bathroom when you have flipped that switch. But let's flip that switch back the other way. Here we go. Flip it back. And let's see what it looks like now. Yep, definitely no opaque window. So if you're needing your privacy, got that option. And once again, like I showed in a different room, yes, we overpacked. You do have the lights in that rod up there for your hangers, which I really liked. Plenty of room for a couple of suitcases down there. Whatever else I've thrown down there, some backpacks, another full-length mirror. And the last one has your, let's see here. I don't even know where the light switches are. There we go. Your safe and multiple shelves. I still use packing cubes. I still swear by packing cubes. And extra blankets down there at the bottom should you need them. And as always, a thermostat control for your room. But we have the robes, the slippers, everything set. And I don't even remember what button that was I just pressed. That one. So yes, this is the nighttime setting. As soon as I turn off the bathroom light. Nope, wrong one. Where's the bathroom light? You're doing this live with me. Part of being an honest cruise agent is saying, I don't know where the light switches are. Bingo. Okay, bathroom light is off. So when we get done in the lounge later, come back, turn down was already done, can turn off our Apple TV, our Apple computer, and go to bed. And be up for the 7 a.m. wellness classes and the, let me close these curtains. Breakfast about 8, shore excursion at 9, wellness walk around Amsterdam at 11, and sail away, that was it, sail away at 12:45, I believe. Lunch at 1. Cruise by Mandy, signing off from the nightly turn down on board